Let's try SQLi on live website. Today I'm not going to upload SQLi of the bug bounty websites because that's not fixed yet. If fixed, I will upload and you will get situations how I done that. But I will show you one website today, okay? This is a local website, but I will show you how to do this. So you need parameters to do this. So I will spider this website. Intercept is on. Just open this, right click, solid drop. This is not a website, so I will just reload this one more time. Yes, you have to spider this website, so you will get some parameters there. Yes, now go to targets. Now you have to find parameters. You see this, these URLs having parameters. See, these many URLs have parameters. So see this. You can right click one more time and spider these websites. Okay, now see spider not completed yet, or okay, spider completed, great. So one way is to do this to find the parameters, how many URLs having parameters, and another way is via Google. So you can go to google.com, you can do site colon any websites, like I am doing for city college.edu.pk, done. Now I will do dot, so PHP is a programming language, question mark, you can give equal to. So see, I got some parameters there. See, PHP question mark ID equal to something like this. You can try there backslash, I gave backslash. Okay, the page hided there, so this may be vulnerable. Now for exploitation I will copy this. Now I will try via this. Now python space SQL map.py space -u, in double quote I will give URL. So SQL map supposed to attack on the ID fields. I'll give a star there, hyphen batch hyphen banner. So let's copy this. Now the terminal is there, so you can attack there, right click paste. So let's enter. Okay, not copied, let's copy one more time, let's paste there. Yes, see the hyphen batch executed banner. Hyphen after banner you can give hyphen dbs for database. Oops, so they are taking time for database. Okay, yes, just wait for a few seconds. So there is two database, one is information schema and another one is city of college. So I'm not going into that, you know the other steps. So I will soon upload the live website, live bug bounty website SQLi onto the Udemy. Don't worry about that. Okay, so I hope the SQLi is clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session over there and you can ask me query there.